Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube. So I just got back from Walmart and I have something very cool that I've been very excited to get, and I finally got it. Let me show you real quick. Yes. Backup power supply. For 50 volt AC to 255 watts, home offline series model something. I'm not going to go through the techniques of it, but we are going to be doing another unboxing video. I literally got this from Walmart, but we're going to do another unboxing. So let's hop to it. I'm trying to do this with one hand because I'm just holding and so let's hop to it. Oops, sorry about that. Focus the camera. Okay. Unboxing. One hand. Okay. Just trying to get this open. See if I can do this. I think I'm successfully doing this. I was so very impatient to get this thing. Yep, can you help me out, please? Thank you so much. There we go. Thank you. So, folks, check this out, folks. I believe this is the cord. Time to get instructions. How about we go through the manual? Danger hazard of electric shock, explosion or arc flash. UBS involves some of this. Go through the instructions so you get a little bit of education. I was so begging to get one of these for a long time. Since I lived in Ameriserve International, they had a whole bunch of these hooked up to their router. And I was so begging to get one of these. I'm just going to quickly go through the instructions so you see what it looks like. Yep. Basically, don't really see much. It's open. Basically, this is all trash. Excuse me. But check this out, folks. Check this out. I am so happy. You kind of try and get this.
How much you buy these things? You don't have more money again.
But yes. I know. But check that out.
You can see where it comes down again.
I'll recycle that in a little bit. I'm just so happy to get this. Okay. Excuse all that, been cooking lunch. Turn protector over connect battery, yes. Let me kind of, excuse me for a second. I am gonna have to make a part 2 of this because I am gonna have to carefully pick this up. So I'm sorry, folks. This is just the unboxing of it. I'm gonna have to end this here. Goodbye. Peace out. You saw what it looks like. I'll show you once again real quick. This is part 1 of the extension cord. So this will be in here. Well, I guess I can lift it up. The video's almost over. Anyway, though, this is what it looks like, folks. There's the button. I wonder if the battery's charged. Try it. No, it's never been charged. But anyway, this is what it looks like in the box. Anyway, this is part 1 of the unboxing. I will be back with a part 2 right after this is out of the box, because this is brand new and very heavy and I can't lift this. Anyway, goodbye. Peace out. I love you all. Bye everyone. Part 1 of the unboxing.